Friends, to make this marble operated seesaw, watch the video completely, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get more creative videos. Now let's do it by step procedure. Friends, to make the marble operated seesaw, we need the following things like the marbles, the glue, cutter and some cardboards, and also we will need this type of pins for fixing. Very first we need to make this kind of rack for storing the marbles in this passage, and afterwards we need to make this kind of hollow tube which will be having a small slot for fitting this kind of marbles. And then finally we are going to assemble this and pivot with this pin at this position so that it will act as a lever. Friends, fix the lever properly and so that it can operate easily. You can see here, and I will show you how exactly it works. Friends, now we have loaded with the marbles. When the lever is in downward position and even we turn it at an angle, the marble doesn't come out. But when we lift the lever in the upward direction, the marble comes out. We have designed the lever in such a way that only one marble comes at a time. You can see here. Now friends, make a box like this. You can make like this tubes and stick them. This is for reloading the marbles. So when we place the marble, it goes automatically down like this. So for making this, you should make sure that there is a gap in every track, so easily the marble should go like this. Now friends, we have stick the reloading marble box on the pillar. You can see here, this is our pillar, and then finally we are going to mount this storage rack on this pillar and see that whether the marble travels properly or not. You can see the marbles are being collected at the bottom. Now friends, make a marble collecting bucket like this, you can see here, and make a hollow inside so that the marble can easily get collected and dropped into the container. And this is, we have provided a linkage which will be pivoted at this point and it will act like a swiveling frame. And also we are having a pillars for mounting this link. Couple of pillars we are using here. Friends, for sealing purpose, make use of hot glue gun, which is easy to apply and seal the joints. And friends, on the pillar we are providing a ball pen refill, you can see here, so that the shaft doesn't move up and down and it fixed at one position, and we will have a swiveling action. Now friends, we have completed all the parts. Now it's time to color them. Now friends, we have completed the assembly of this marble operated seesaw, you can see here. And now let me explain you the important parts of this mechanism. Also we will require few marbles to operate this mechanism. Friends, very first we need to load the marbles from the reloading box like this, and it will get collected in the storage rack here. And the storage rack is provided with a lever, you can see here. This becomes up and down when it is in working condition. This is the most important part because it removes the marble one at a time, and the marbles come and get stored in the storage tank one by one. Below that we have provided a bucket to collect the marble when it is released by the lever, and also it is given a linkage, you can see here, and it is pivoted at this pillar. And at the rear end of this we have provided the weights to balance it properly. And now let's see some working of this mechanism. Friends, the marble collecting bucket is having a lever which is pivoted at this point, and it is operated up and down with the help of this stopper. This is used to remove the marble from the collecting bucket and drop into the container below.